Like, I cannot do that. Grangou.
Guess what I'm doing today? Jodi mwen pral montre Katie ki jan pou li pale Creole.
I
don't know if she understood anything I just said.
A little bit. You said, today I'm with my friend Katie. I'm going to teach her Creole. She is not going to have the right accent.
Oh my God.
But she's willing to try. Okay. And she's right.
I always say that there are other greetings besides sac passe. We have other ones. Comment ouye. Okay, so we're going to get her to repeat it.
Comment ouye.
Yes.
That's pretty good.
You know what that means?
No.
It means, how are you? Or another variation of that is
Kija ouye.
Kija.
Kija.
You see how my mouth is?
I know.
You're doing
I can't
good.
do the French.
No, you're doing it. You're doing
Kija.
it. Yes.
Ouye.
Yes.
Okay.
Another thing that we might say is, comment sens-tu?
Comment ou
sens-tu?
you.
Yes.
Comment ou sens-tu?
You. Okay, let me show you.
Yeah, I need to see it.
Which is like, how are you? How do you feel? How do you feel?
Fine.
Mon ke tout bagay en forme.
Am I supposed to repeat that?
Yes. Tout bagay.
Tout
Bagay.
bagay
En forme.
en forme.
Nice.
You know those on
Yeah,
sounds?
yeah, like that's hard for me.
I don't know what is the difference when I say you see? Like
Yeah. Yeah, that's not really in English. We don't make those sounds with our mouths a lot. So that's really hard for me.
Okay,
We're working on it. We're going to work on it. Okay.
Yeah, you got it though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we seen each other.
We meet on the street.
We meet on the
we
street.
meet on the street.
Hey, Katie. Kijouye.
And then
What do you say?
tout
Bagay.
bagay
En forme.
en forme.
You are in the middle of Haiti and then you are hungry. Okay, so there's a thing that I'm going to teach you, right? I is Mwen.
Mwen.
Yes, Mwen. So then whenever you have a personal pronoun, you can just add like an adjective to say how you feeling.
Okay.
As long as you have Mwen, you can say Mwen en forme. En forme is like an adjective, right? I'm well. So you just need the personal pronoun.
Mwen en forme.
And then say you are hungry. Hungry is an adjective. And in Creole, it's grangou.
Bruh.
Grand.
Like, I cannot do that.
It's okay, take your time. Grangou.
Grand goo. But it's one word.
Yeah.
Grangou. I cannot do that.
Let's try.
I'm gonna choke. Grangou.
Yes.
Grangou.
Yes. Okay. You have to tell me that you are hungry.
Yeah.
So how do you say that?
Moi grangou.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay. Let's see. Throw an adjective at me. Let me see.
I feel like that's a common one.
Yes,
yeah,
tired,
people are
tired.
always saying that they're tired.
Exactly. You see, I'm giving you the cheat code. Tired in Creole is fatigué.
Moi fatigué.
Hey, you
Okay,
got it. You
great.
got it. Okay. What
I
else?
use that one a lot.
Yes. Okay. What else should I tell you? Like you thirsty.
Oh, that's yeah.
Thirsty in Creole is soif.
Soif.
That's easy.
Moi soif.
Yes.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah. Muy
Yeah,
soif.
that's not
You
bad.
see, that's easy. That's easy. You are good already.
Bored.
That one is a little
Tricky
tricky.
one. Okay.
So we expanding our vocabularies. Mwen senti. Senti is like I feel.
So that means I'm feeling bored.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So mwen senti, mwen ennuyé.
Moi senti, moi ennuyé.
Nice.
So if you wanted to say I feel tired,
Yeah.
then you could say
Moi senti,
mwen.
moi senti, moi fatigué.
You already learned so much. Okay. So you go to Haiti, right? Yeah. You are walking on the streets. You want to ask for help.
Okay.
Eske is our auxiliary term. Ken in Creole is ka. So I'm going to teach you one more personal pronoun, which is ou.
Ooh.
Ou. So mwen is I, ou is you.
Okay.
If you want to ask somebody to help you, then you say eske ou ka ede mwen.
Aide-moi.
Ede is a verb, you see?
Aide-moi.
Mwen.
Oh, so 2 words.
Yeah.
Eske
Ou ka.
ou ka aide-moi.
Yes.
So that's like, can you help me?
Yes.
Okay.
But you see, it's the eske because I feel like that's the key word there. If you guys want Katie to come back, let me know. Because we can actually do like a series where we actually talk about like how to ask questions and stuff like that. Mwen is a personal pronoun, but it's also a direct object.
Yeah.
You use the same one. But if I wanted to say, eske mwen ka ede ou?
Can I help you?
Exactly.
Okay.
So it's the same.
Yeah. Okay.
You see, she's getting it. She's smart.
Yeah.
She didn't go to Emory for nothing. Gonna do a test. Yeah, so we're in the middle of the streets of Cap Haitien, of course. You know, I'm from Ocap. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
No. I didn't teach you that. Mwen content. Mwen content well.
Moi conto weo.
Yeah, but you see why I say that? Because mwen is I. You just need an adjective.
Yeah.
Content is happy.
Okay.
Yeah, so mwen
Moi conto
well.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start over.
Okay. Hey, Kitty. Yes, mwen content well too. Kijon ye.
Moi bien.
And then you have to ask me. I didn't teach you that. Mwen bien.
Moi bien. Bien. Because there is an N at the end. Moi, like French.
Yes.
Or Spanish. Yeah. Moi buen.
Bien.
Bien.
Yeah.
Bien.
Okay. So comment ouye.
Como oye. Moi bien.
Exactly.
Okay.
Muy bien. But like stop yourself halfway. Don't
Muy
say
bien.
bien.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you ask me.
Como.
Bruh.
Oh, it like went right out of my face.
No, you're doing good.
Como.
You. Yeah.
Yay.
Exactly.
Okay. Como u yay.
Yes. Muy bien, muy bien. Now ask me if I can help you. The keyword.
Esque u
Ka.
ka. And then there's one more
Help
thing.
is aider.
Aider moi. Moi.
Yeah, you
Moi.
see, you're getting it. You're getting it.
Esque u ka aider moi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Esque u ka moi. No, I want to get it so that it's like flows.
Yeah.
Esque u ka aider moi. Esque u ka moi aider moi.
Okay. Esque,
Esque u ka aider moi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it so that it's like sounds normal. Esque u ka moi aider moi.
Bruh.
Okay, you close. If I were to teach you like after an hour, I feel like you would get it.
Yeah.
But it's more like esque u ka. So I guess like can you? That would be like the English version. So
Yeah.
like we inverse it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Esque u ka aider moi, because the main verb is help.
Okay.
Aider moi.
Yeah. Aider moi.
Yeah.
But then you kind of put do you put the inflection at the end because it's a question, like what I did?
But you insert the personal pronoun twice. So esque
u ka
aider moi.
aider moi.
Yeah.
Esque u ka aider moi.
Yes. Esque u ka aider moi.
Okay.
You got it. And I say, yes. Qui sak passe?
Moi. I'm hungry. Moi. Feels like so long ago we learned that word. Moi grangou.
Easy.
Okay.
Okay, mwen grangou. Exactly. So, do you guys think that Katie will survive in Haiti based on this little lesson alone, or does she need some more? You guys tell us in the comments, of course. But I feel like you did very good.
For the first time, like I feel kind of comfortable. Yeah, it was not as bad as I thought it would be. Yeah.
So if somebody say Katie, oh belle, what does that mean?
You're pretty.
You see, I told you. Okay, so she's getting it. Like I said, if you guys think that Katie should come back so we can do this Creole series, please let us know. And then two, like whatever other words that you feel like Katie should know, please type them in the comments and let us know. Let Katie know that you guys appreciate her. That's what I want you guys to know. I mean to do. So please go ahead and write it in the comments. Thank you.